Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you to successfully submit your application to the fully funded scholarship at Universitas Sebelas Maret, UNS Indonesia. So this is a fully funded scholarship for international students. So as you can see, the Universitas Sebelas Maret, UNS Indonesia invite prospective international students to apply for Bachelor, Masters and Doctorate program through the UNS Scholarship for the August 2027 intake. So the scholarship type include they have fully funded scholarship, which means the scholarship coverage include tuition fee and institutional fee waiver, also free Indonesian language course, health insurance. They will give you settlement allowances of this. You can convert it to your local currency. Also, they will give you monthly living allowances for bachelor programs. They will give you this. Master student, they will receive this. Doctorate student, they will receive this. So in this video, we are going to focus on the fully funded scholarship opportunity. If you meet the criteria, you have a strong academic record, they give you the fully funded scholarship. Else, you will be granted with the only partial scholarship, with the cover only tuition fee and institutional fee waiver, pre-Indonesian language course, health insurance. So this is the coverage of the partial scholarship. So it goes only for the fully funded scholarship opportunity. Also on this note, they say that scholarship are open for all study program, which means all the available program on the university they are offering under scholarship, while for the faculty of medicine and medical science are limited. So also airfare ticket and study visa stay permit cost will be covered for by the students. So which means if you get the fully funded scholarship, flight ticket and visa fee you will pay by yourself. That's the reason why they ask for financial statement on the required document. Your guarantee or guidance will write that they will sponsor all other benefit, all other costs that were not covered from the scholarship. Also, the degree is 4 years, master's degree 8 semester, which means 4 semester, which means 2 years, doctorate degree, which means 3 years. So responsibility of the award, they say that comply with Indonesian law and university regulation, attend all academic activities, maintain the required CGPA of a minimum of 3 for social science and 2.75 for engineering and natural science. They say that graduate with the same scholarship duration, follow term state in the scholarship agreement. So you can read all this information for the scholarship. These are the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. This they provide is template. You can download it and edit it. English proficiency, this is optional. They did not ask for English proficiency during the document upload section. This is also optional. Then recommendations letter from Indonesian embassy, this is also optional, it's not required. Then 2 recommendations letter from your academic supervisor, lecturer or immediate working supervisor for masters and doctorate degree only. They say that research proposal for PhD degree. So here are the document template which you should see and download them and open it. So you can see this is the passport format, passport identity, graduate certificate and other things. So also this is curriculum vitae CB template. So as you can see, here is the CB template. So this is very important, so please download the CB template provided by this university, which is this. Download it, fill it with your own information, download it, fill it with your information. So many applicants are unaware of this, but most Indonesian scholarship provide official template for their documents such as CB, medical report, financial statement, recommendations letter and other required form. So always use the template provided by the scholarship. Do not replace them with your own version unless the instructions specifically allow this. So for example, this year I know some applicant who was rejected from KMBA scholarship because we did not use the official medical report template. So the KMBA scholarship portal provide like a medical report form so that applicants were required to download and take it to the licensed medical doctor for completion. The medical doctor will complete it, will sign in and stamp it. So instead, the applicant just submit a standard medical report obtained from a hospital. So during the application review, the scholarship committee clearly stated that one of the reasons for his rejection was failure to use the official medical record template. So same applying for this CB template. If the scholarship provide one, so just download and replace the same information with your own disease rather than creating your own CB or something like that. So download the template, fill out the information, then make it into PDF format, come back to the portal and upload it. So this is very important. Also, they explain about how to apply, download a letter of offer and cover letter, request recommendations letter from Indonesian embassy. This is optional, you don't need to do that, you don't need to stress yourself. This is the offer template, you can see it in here. This is the offer. So this is the offer. Also, this is the cover letter. If you wish to obtain recommendations letter from Indonesian embassy in your country, so download it, then visit or contact Indonesian embassy together with the offer letter, cover letter, your passport, graduation certificate, graduation transcript. Then visit the Indonesian embassy in your country, so they will provide you with recommendations letter to study at the university. So, and this UNS scholarship. So but this is optional, you don't need to worry about it. But for Nigerians, if you wish to obtain the recommendations letter from Indonesian embassy, you can write it in the comment section. I will show you the step by step how you can obtain the recommendations letter. I will share you the email address for the Indonesian embassy in Nigeria. So to start your application for this scholarship, you can see the deadline for this application is 30 September. So you have many time to prepare. Just click on this apply now. So after clicking on apply now, you click on this register if you don't have an account. But before we start, let me remind you, this channel is all about scholarship, story about opportunity, and step-by-step application guidance to help you submit your application without any steps. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video, and most importantly, turn on notification bell so YouTube can share notification to you whenever we share more amazing videos like this. To start your application, just provide this information, then click on next. Once you register, they will share a verification link to your email address to activate your account, including your password. So you don't need to create a password here. They will share a password to you so that you can use it whenever you are trying to log in. So I already have an account, I will log in, so we continue together. So once you log in, here is the dashboard of the application, so you can see. So international intent, click on this, and I'm applying for scholarship. You can see UNS Scholarship, applying for scholarship. I'll click on apply. So I'll provide the information here. So I'll passport this source. We say scholarship. You just write it, then study program. So you can see for bachelor's, master's, or PhD degree. So let's see the available program under bachelor degree. I'll click on this, so you can see the available program: agriculture, agro-technology, accounting. So you can see them here, so feel free to select the programs you are interested: law, public admin, full technology, environmental science, midwifery, chemistry, management, mathematics, early childhood, accounting. So here are the available programs, so feel free to check them: data science, faculty of computer science, know that. Let's see, for master's degree also they are same. You can see the available program. Also for doctor degree, you can see the available programs here. This document upload section. The first document here, you can see recent passport photograph. This require, this require. Here as the optional document, they say that certificate of Indonesian proficiency. This is optional. Also, recommendations letter from Indonesian embassy. As I explained, this is also optional. But if you have the Indonesian embassy recommendations letter, you can upload it to support your application. So I will upload my passport statement. Here is the template. This is the template. You can see having financial support. This also financial statement. Here is this template. So you download it and fill the details. Then certificate of Indonesian proficiency is not required. Then upload your motivation letter. Write a motivation letter. Then after uploading all the required documents, the next step, make sure you review information and ensure all the information you provided are correct. Then click on submit. Your application will submit it successfully. So in case if you need our assistance with the complete application, our team can help you with the complete application and ensure all your document and information are submitted accurately. We can help you with complete all the template. We fill out the template for you and all that things. So this is how you submit your application to the UNS Scholarship Indonesia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, we see you in the next video.